Welcome to Mahamaya tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about the tag setting of the WooCommerce plugin. Go to WooCommerce, go to setting. In the WooCommerce, we have a tags option. If you're not getting this tags option, go to general option. You should mark here enable taxes and the tax calculation and click on save changes. Then come back to this location, you'll get the tax position. In the tax option, we have a price entered taxes. How do you want to enter the tax of a price, inclusive of the tax or the exclusive of the tax? Next, we have a calculate tax based on. How do you want to calculate your tax? Tax based on the customer shipping address, customer billing address, or your shop based location. You can choose one of the options. I'll choose customer shipping address. Shipping tax classes. There are various tax classes. You can create your own tax classes, standard, reduce, and create one more extra tax classes in the additional tax classes. But most of e-commerce website have a shipping tax classes based on the cart item. Let's see additional tax classes. In the additional tax classes, we have already reduce rate and zero rate tax. Here it's already mentioned, and I'll create XYZ tax. So these additional tax classes will help us in creating additional tax for a particular state or the particular location. Now we'll look into this. Go to standard, insert a row, choose a country, on which country you want to apply that particular tax. Let me choose India. Choose a state of that India, AP, and choose the postal code of that state. One, two, 89. From this pin code till this pin code, the WooCommerce will apply this standard rate, and you can separate postal code by giving semicolon, and you can write extra. You can write the city name which you want to apply for. Next, you have a rate option, at what rate you want to apply a tax. Let me write as 4%. You can give a tax name. Let me write sales. In case of conflict, how the WooCommerce will apply that rate on that product is completely based on that class. So let me give the priority for this class will be as 1. Next option, we have a compound, and in the compound these rates are applied apart from the inclusive taxes that we have already given, that 4%. Apart from this, extra tax will be applied on that. Next, in the shipping option, do you want to add additional taxes on the shipping also? We have already added a 4% rate tax on the product, and on the shipping also. If you want to add that tax, then click here. If you don't want, you can remove this. Even you can import standard rate file from your database also. Now if you want to include one more country, then click insert row, add another country, add state, zip code, city, and write the code rate. If you want to delete, click on remove, select that one and remove. You can create different sort of rate. Next option is the reduce rate. In the reduce rate, the rate of that tax will be less as compared to the standard rate, and you can create a same like in the standard rate we have created one table. And next option is the zero rate. If you don't want to charge any taxes on your product, then you can create that country name and for which state you don't want to charge, and zip code. While creating a product directory, we can choose one of these standard rates option. If you want to apply zero rate, you can go for zero rate. If you want to apply for reduce rate, you can choose one reduce rate. If you want to apply for the standard rate, you can choose for the standard rate also. Next, we'll go back tax option. Now display pricing in the shop. How do you want to display the price of your product inside your shop? That's include of the tax or the exclusive of the tax. In the cart, how do you want to display the tax inside your cart or the checkout process? inclusive of the tax or the exclusive of the tax. Here the both the rates will be different, the total will be different. In the cart, in the shop, assume we have a price of $10, and next the price will be, in the cart it will be 10 plus 4% of that. In the price display suffix, you can create a message before that price of that. The price is inclusive of tax. This is basically for creating a message before the price of that product. Display tax total. How do you want to display the tax, as a single total or the at itemized per item? That what are the taxes you have applied for your customer, that will show up here. Now click on save changes. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.